A cyber security threat is any unlawful malicious attack that potentially poses an alter in the operation of a system or damages to the targeted devices. The second cyber threat is the hemotate. The Cyber Security and Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, describes hemotate as a Trojan, a banking Trojan that installs other banking Trojans to attack financial information. Hemotates are one of the most potentially dangerous cyber attacks happening daily around the world. The third cyber threat is denial of service. It may sound like a layman, but it is abbreviated as DOS. DOS are cyber threats that can block potential, they flood the computer system so that they fail to respond to commands or triggers in the computer. Now, with DOS, millions of computers can be attacked once it is launched. These operations are always intended and always successful once a system has been turned off from a certain network. The time when the network is off is the time when the cyber attackers launch their operation. The fourth one has a very funny name. It is called man in the middle. Yeah, man in the middle is abbreviated. The abbreviation is complex. If you ask that you define the abbreviation, your brain will burst. The abbreviation is MITM. So if I ask you that what is MITM, just tell the person man in the middle. Man in the middle is a kind of cyber attack that uses Wi-Fi. If you get access to public Wi-Fi, like Tovi Hotel or some other hotels, you will find that the attacker will insert his or herself in the middle, then install malicious softwares in both of your devices, maybe phone or computer. The accessor and the provider, and also launches the attack by stealing the information or corrupting the system. And you get that a lot of your system can easily get destroyed with the man in the middle. The fifth one is much more common. The fifth one is phishing. Phishing cyber threat uses simple methods like emails to steal information from the potential target. You have seen a lot of people on very many WhatsApp groups like Voice of Gaho complaining, oh well, hey, you have sent a spam. They set like promotions that please, certain Aliba is rewarding you, maybe Samsung is rewarding you, maybe Sony is bringing their reward, or iPhone they're donating. Once you click the software, the link, and you provide your credit card detail, they've stolen your credit card detail. So the sole goal is to get the information by deceiving you. So if you follow every step without verifying the authenticity of the website, you get attacked. The 8 cyber threats include: the first one is the malware. Malware is any cyber attack that can change or block access to certain networks. Secondly, install additional software which is malicious. And also, thirdly, it can make system operation inappropriate. Then, fourthly, a malware can also access information from the hard drive, for example, music, documents, videos, text files, software, or any other information stored on the hard drive unauthorized. A cyber security threat is any unlawful malicious attack that potentially poses an alter in the operation of a system or damages to the targeted devices.
Dini kompiti kanina jua barja yoti ni kora nuo pundino kwero punyo ko dong ne kwero na lego